Did you cut your hair? Cause you look a little different than I left you.
Hey guys, so this is a LED battery. It's for 12 volt, and these are the terminals, and this cycle uses 14.4 to 15 volts, standby uses 13.5 to 13.8 volts, and initial current is less than 0.39 ampere. So, and precautions are: do not short circuit, recharge after use, and this is recyclable, and PB is written down there. So I have just smashed it up because this was a seal pack, and these have this have 6 compartments, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and each compartment has series connection with each other, and which is finally going to be connected to the terminals, and each compartment has negative and positive plates. Let me show you. Oh, yo man, see, these 3 I have already taken out for my concern, and let me show you one example. See, you have a negative plate which is made up of lead alloy. This is not active, so this is negative plate. This is separated by resin fiber to a positive plate, and you can see how positive plate is strong. This is an active material. This is also made up of lead, and this, as you can see, this is so weak, it just breaks. And this is a negative plate, and you have kind of 3 plates alternative, and this is the area, and electrolyte is H2SO4 sulfuric acid, and this is the place where electricity is stored, and finally it goes to the terminals. So I have just hacked this thing. Compartment contains 2 volts and connected in series gives 12 volt.